How to use the Kortext platform. To log in, visit www.kortext.com and select Sign In, entering your username and password as prompted to load up the platform and your bookshelf. If you'd like your device to remember your login, tick the box next to Remember Me. Your bookshelf is a personal online library which will display course materials supplied by your university, as well as any books you may have purchased yourself from the Kortext store. The Kortext library contains all content available to you, while Collections provides you with over 37,000 free-to-access ebooks and an archive of informative video content that is updated daily. Workbooks allows you to organize your work inside personalized spaces so you can easily find, edit, and share your e-textbook study materials. The Groups functionality allows for collaboration in your own groups or with those assigned by tutors. The library has its own search engine that can identify specific words or phrases from all content available for you. From your search, you can even navigate directly to that point within a chosen book by tapping on the Book Content tab. On your bookshelf, you can also search for books by name, author, or ISBN. Our e-reader is where you'll spend most of your time. You can make notes, search texts, export references, and more. At the bottom of your screen, there are 3 options for navigating the pages. You can either drag the toggle, use the arrows, or enter a page number. To create an annotation or a note, simply tap at the beginning of the text you'd like to make a note on, drag your cursor over it, and release it, which will show you all the options you have available. When you make a note, there are a variety of rich text options, such as the ability to make your text bold, italicized, or underlined, as well as to add links to web pages, images, and videos. This is ideal when used in conjunction with the groups or workbooks features mentioned earlier. To access your study notes, you'll need to tap on the paper icon to the left of your screen. On the left-hand side, you can also create flashcards to help you study from a specific ebook. You can create individual decks, make the flashcards full screen, and more, like so. In addition to notes and flashcards, you can also highlight text, export references, copy exact page locations, and much more. You can even select a passage of text and have it read aloud in your choice of voice and at a selected speed. Accessibility features include changing the font style, font size, and page width. You can choose to read the book in a single or double page view and can also change the background color of books to suit your visual needs and preferences. You can even navigate through the book using keyboard-only shortcuts, pressing the Tab key to use our study tools and travel around your book. We are also proud to partner with Student Minds and make their invaluable online services easily accessible for you if you need extra support at any time. Welcome to Kortext Study, our smartest ever study space.